All right, but back we go. Another video. Saturday, January 30th. Let's take a look at Vive. Vive Medical. Float 1.86 million. 27 million market cap. And what do they do exactly? Together with subsidiaries, designs, develops, manufactures, markets medical devices for non-invasive treatment for, let's keep it clean for YouTube. Non-invasive treatment for women, let's say down below when they have a baby, sexual dysfunction, rejuvenation down there, and urinary issues. All right. You see the bounce up and down, sideways, the weekly. Here's the monthly. You can see the big drop because of splits. Daily move here. Yeah, big gap to 400, but that's because of the split. So you drop back and forth here. You see this 15 level all back January 2020. Then we went lower. This big move in August, and then a big volume bar, but that was it. So you go back here, this dropped, then you had a split December. Excuse me. Then we went down, and then it's 325. Little gap. That was a great buy here. The challenge is 5 line, but we didn't get over it. Candles are filled. See heavy volume. Then we came back. So, in this here, we got to break 5. We break 5, we get into this 7 zone. Get a big line here. So that's a big issue here. If we can't get above this 4 too, so it's got to hold or we're going back down. This is fading. The whole move on this chart has been lower. So you got to start making steps higher on this chart. We'll see if this move and this volume does something next week. Excuse me. All right, let's take a look at XSPA. What do they do? Well, market cap 214 million, float 64 million. Their wellness services provide spa services and related products to airports. They provide COVID screening, COVID-19 screening. Let's take a look at this monthly. See here, this went back and forth to whatever the number was here, but came down. They've had 3 splits. Look at this weekly volume. Doesn't that seem odd to you too? Look at this. And then look at the volume ever since April in this one. This is heavy volume down here. So the daily hit a big wedge down from June. Every time the high from this move, that was a tremendous move from 250 to 850. Then we went back and forth. Then we exploded up here from 125 to 325 plus. Look at that. Look at this big candle though. Yeah, this is like a big, massive bearish candle. Then we had another day. See, we went low to high here. Look at the stochastics, low to high. Excuse me. Buy low, sell high. Now, where are we going to bounce? Are we going to come back down? I would suspect the 175 level. 150 would be pretty far, but we'll see. Look for this zone because we're coming off now. Where are we going to bounce? And now you have, let me see here. This 325 level is huge because that's the level where we can't get over. So 325. See right here. Let's put this line here. There's 325 level. See the big move down. See the wedge we broke out. And then we made this big move up to 325. So there's 325. Now, what do we do from here? It was grinding down. See this? And then explosion. Now, where do we go? So, see this? See the low, the high moves? So, again, this was low to high. Look, low to high, low to high, low to high. Now, it doesn't mean it can't stay up here and stay overbought. Overbought buried, it's called. We'll see, though, if we can break this. Or this is the telltale sign this week. If we're going to stay out and keep moving, maybe we bounce here, then we move again. That's pretty strong. If not, you're just floating back down again until the next move. So, it's a very big move. And taking this line out, Finviz is a big line now from this down to, this line right here. And then you draw this down. What that tells you, we're in another wedge. So we went from a wedge to this, back and forth. Look at that, here. Now, could this fall down again? Then we're going to bounce up again. It's possible. So you can see on this move the way it's setting up. All right, here's LGHL. Lion Group. Lion announces acquisition of Lion FinTech Group. 8 million. That was at the 12th. 8 million float. 54 million market cap. Income 7 million. 16 million sales in this. Operates a trading platform in Hong Kong. All right, so let's take a look. The monthly just came in IPO. Went all the way up to plus 850. Came back down. Your weekly back and forth here. You found the low 175 and this bounced all the way to 875 and back down we go. Look at this back and forth. Tried this 5 line, which is huge. Didn't hold. Let's go to the daily. To the daily, you can see where this formed. Came back July and it's really exploded. Came back down. And what do you see here? January and here, double bottom. And they tried to explode up through this 5 level. Didn't hold. Filled candle. Burned out. Went to 3, and then we bounced up huge Friday. But look again, didn't hold and pull back. So they're trying to get over this 5 line. It's really been sticking right now. Big heavy volume on the up days, nothing on the down days. This wants to hold, or this, we should say we wanted to hold 3. And then all these wicks here about 286. So, and that's your stop. And then we want to, explode above 350 now, back to the 5 again. So this zone is huge. Excuse me. It looks like where we're at. And you can see the back and forth movement. You can see where we're breaking. We're trying to break. It's getting oversold again. So we'll see where this goes. It's either going to squeeze up pretty big or you just fall back and fall out of favor. So we'll see on this. LGHL. And that's it. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Trade ideas referral. My link. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Trades. That's it for now. Peace, everybody.